Well, as you've noticed, we've brought quite a bit of stuff on the historical Jesus, and now we're over to Mar Bar Serapion. Mar Bar Serapion, a Syrian and Stoic philosopher, wrote this letter to his son from prison sometime after 70 CE. What advantage did the Athenians gain from putting Socrates to death? Famine and plague came upon them as a judgment for their crime. What advantage did men of Samos gain from burning Pythagoras? In a moment their land was covered with sand. What advantage did the Jews gain from their executing their wise king? It was just after that their kingdom was abolished. God justly avenged these three wise men. The Athenians died of hunger. The Samaeans were overwhelmed by the sea. The Jews ruined and driven from their land, living in complete dispersion. But Socrates did not die for good. He lived on in the statue of Plato. Pythagoras did not die for good. He lived on in the statue of Hera. Nor did the king die for good. He lived on in the teaching which he had given. This letter refers to Jesus as being the wise king. The writer is obviously not a Christian because he places Jesus on a par with Pythagoras and Socrates. Consequently, the writer can hardly be described as biased in his reference to Jesus and the church. Therefore, it is valuable historical reference regarding the historicity of Jesus. There are many other non-Christian historical sources for Jesus, but since space is limited, we will move on to rabbinical sources. So we'll move on to rabbinical sources next time.